The feasibility study for the second phase of the Mahaweli Water Security Investment Program is currently underway. However, the locals of Wilgamur oppose the proposed construction.
As proposed in the second phase of the Mahaweli Water Security Investment Program, the feasibility study of the proposed construction of the Kaluganga-Murugahakanda Transfer Canal commenced on the 17th of last month.
We are currently in the process of preparing a feasibility report. We will dig approximately 70 to 80 meters, send samples of water and earth to laboratories for tests and identify whether this area is suitable to construct a waterway. However, prior to everything, we first looked into the conditions of the locals residing in this area.
However, claiming that the proposed construction may pose a threat to farming and other facilities such as drinking water, priests and residents of the area entered the proposed project site to further inquire into this matter.
If the divisional secretary and the farming community is not aware of this, at least the community that is nourished by these waters should have been informed in this regard. What can we do after they commence activities based on such studies? We don't even have sufficient water to fulfill our current needs. We only benefit from the limited water flow from the multiple streams that join to form a river between the Minipe area to Handagamua. If they plan to use this reservoir to provide water to Murugahakanda, what will happen to the locals of this area? Therefore, inform your offices that there is an ongoing protest here. You cannot plan inside air-conditioned rooms. You must feel the earth. Only a feasibility analysis has been commenced so far. We will construct a reservoir here in the future. 50% of the reservoir will be owned by the local community.
The main concern of the locals are the difficulties experienced at present by the residents of the Badula district due to the first phase of the Mahaweli Water Security Investment Program, the Uma Oya Multipurpose Development Project.
Officials attached to the main office are in charge of this. I have been assigned with another project. I only came here to clarify certain issues.
Our correspondent stated that due to the protest, the feasibility study was temporarily suspended.